Okay, so today we worked on algebra and the basic techniques to isolate x, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we used a few different example problems to help the student figure this out. One problem we did was 3x over 6 equals 4. So this introduced some of the different techniques such as multiplication, division, and fractions when doing basic algebra problems. So this helped explain how to isolate x, or in this case, first 3x by getting rid of the 6 first. And we figured out that if you multiply it by 6 or 6 over 1, that you could cross multiply and cancel out that 6. And of course, establishing the rule that you have to do the same on both sides. So this was the first step in figuring out the problem. Then this could be rewritten as 3x equals 4 times 6, which is further simplified to 3x equals 24. Then we introduce division, figuring out how to isolate this x when it's multiplied by another number, in this case being 3. So from here, we divided both sides by 3. And we ended with x equals 8. After this, we obviously want to make sure that x is in fact 8. So we've also been working on how to check algebra solutions. And to do so, we plug it in to the original equation, in this case being 3x over 6 equals 4. We established the fact that since x equals 8, x and 8 are interchangeable, they're the same thing. So instead of 3 times x, if x is 8, then we can just say that 3 times 8 would be the same thing. So 3 times 8 over 6 equals 4. And then it's easier to simplify this to the fullest extent to make sure that both sides are equal. So from here, we can do 3 times 8 and simplify that part. So 24 over 6 equals 4, and then further simplify to get 4 equals 4. And then if both sides of the equal sign are in fact equal in the same number in every way, then we can say that 4 equals 4. And if 4 equals 4, then this solution holds to be true. So we can say that x does equal 8.